Right guys, beautiful sunny day. We are in Surrey for another amazing resin bound driveway stroke patio installation. So in this video we're going to show you, we're going to run through absolutely everything, the complete process from start to finish of what we're going to do excavation wise. So we have got this existing area and we are going to put, we've got a step here, we are going to put a nice border block all the way around the perimeter, all the way around here. We've got utilities that are going through here that have been marked out. We're going to put a nice curve that's coming around here. We're going to come out from here, and then we're going to come out to here, and then we're going to come all the way down here. We're going to put a couple of planters in the side here, and we're going to excavate this area. So this garage, slope parking area, is going to be a beautiful resin bound forecourt, and we're going to be using Blue Lagoon, which is a new blend by Vuba. This is an absolutely fantastic blend. It goes perfectly with the patio. As soon as I saw the patio, I knew that was the blend for this job, and so did the client, and we both agreed. We got this job going, and we're also going to put a border block around the entire perimeter around here. We're going to go through the process of putting the blocks in on concrete. We're going to do the permeable concrete, then we're going to do the resin. We're going to get this job done. It's going to look beautiful. So guys, we have got our sand cement coursed out, ready for our edgings. And I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that we would install our edgings. So the first way is a conventional to a line, a sort of bricklaying method. We've got our slurry here. You dip the block in the slurry and it goes in the sand and cement, and will get tapped down to the relevant level, and then so on and so forth. Dip the block into the slurry, make sure there's plenty of sand and cement there, and bed it in to the line, making sure our sand cement is not too wet so that the blocks don't move around everywhere. So that's the first way of bedding in our edgings. The second way is to use our block to align and then level the sand cement. Make sure it's compacted down nicely like that, and then we get a level. We screed our sand cement, which forms a footing. Then take away the excess, push it down, whichever is necessary. We go over it with our level just to make sure that it is nicely level. Then get the sand cement out the way, and then we can either dip the blocks in the slurry and lay them in, or alternatively we can pour the slurry all along. But the dipping is probably better due to the fact that the entire block will then get covered in slurry, which means that there is a full contact bed, which is what it's called, for the block. And then we always, once we've done, we always wet off our edges, wet them off, and then give a straight edge a tap, which will make sure that they are perfectly flat and looking like the rest of the job. So as you can see, we're going to get our edges all the way round. Then once we've got all the edges all the way round, we are going to then put some more groundwork in here, compacted, permeable concrete. Then we're going to do our resin. Thank you. The preparation work is done. It's all complete. The edges are taped and the resin is coming round in the wheelbarrow. As you could see, we have installed the edges all the way round. We are set up, ready to go with the resin. And it's all, we've blown everything off. The concrete's cured properly. We've got a little bit of front edge work to do afterwards, but that is going to be done. We've got all our resin kits stacked out very nicely. The blend for this project is Bastille, as in when the French broke out of the prison. And that was on July the 14th, I'll have you know, just a bit of fun facts for you there. So the resin is going in the mixer, we're cutting it open, mixing it up, and look, you're going to see the progress of the resin installation as we start getting this out. Thank you very much. The installation is complete over at the farm. The resin is down, as you can see. This blend, Bastille, it's got some grey in it, it's got some brown, and it just goes really well aesthetically with the colours of the client's home. So we've got the beautiful border all the way around, we've got it front carriage, and it swoops all the way around. It's lovely. We've dressed the front apron with some type 1 concrete. And you can see we've got little planters here, we've got these areas. It's a lovely pathway which goes all the way down here. Planters are all dug out. So to be fair, it looks absolutely phenomenal. We're really pleased with this installation. I mean, it just complements the whole garden. If you look at the whole thing, it's just a beautiful surface. And speechless, to be honest. Yeah, so if you like what you see, please get in touch. Please subscribe to the channel, really appreciated. And all the comments as well, love reading those. So that is a wrap for this video. Please get in contact via the website, Facebook, Instagram, anyhow. And we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.